Colloquial meaning pronunciation. Colloquial. Colloquial refers to informal language or expressions used in everyday conversation, especially in a particular region or group of people. Simple meaning. Colloquial equals informal language / everyday speech. Common uses. 1. Colloquial adjective. Describing language or words that are used in casual or familiar conversation, not formal speech. Example: gonna and wanna are colloquial forms of going to and want to. 2. Colloquial noun. Informal language or expressions used in conversation. Example: he used a colloquial phrase to make everyone laugh. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. In this region, y'all is a common colloquial expression for you all. 2. How's it going is a colloquial way to ask, how are you? 3. Colloquial language is often more relaxed and friendly than formal language. 4. The teacher asked us to avoid using colloquial words in our essays. 5. The book included many colloquial expressions, making it sound more natural. Real-life explanation. When you speak casually with friends, you likely use colloquial language. It's the opposite of formal language, like what you'd use in a speech or formal writing. Colloquial language is used in day-to-day interactions and can vary from one place to another.